Yes, it's 5,000 square meters. Mold storage capacity is very large. This was makes our production speed very fast. That is the only part of the only one of part of warehouse. At the moment, finished product warehouse. You can imagine how big our warehouse is. Let's go. Let's go to the next one.
Hello everyone, this is Annie. Here is our coating clothes workshop. Okay, follow me. I want to introduce you step by step. See, at first we will find out the new mold, and we will painting 2 times for the gel coating, and wait around 4 to 5 hours. We have to wait the coating clothes dry, and after dry, then go to the next step. In this workshop, we will put the carbon fiber clothes, and it's not very easy. It will be need a long time to wait and doing good. It takes a lot of competition. Our workers must be pay attention to the coating clothes, and here we will put in the glass fiber. The first step is put the glass fiber, and we will wear the gloves because our hand cannot touch glass. The first step, we will put the green clothes like this. You see, this is the carbon fiber clothes. This is the glass fiber, and this is the green clothes like this. After that, we will vacuumize like this. Because here have air. Inside have many air. We will vacuumize the air. Here maybe need 5 to 10 minutes. This workshop, you can see, is for scratch the edges clean. Like this, the edges. After we put in the carbon fiber, maybe the edge is not very smooth, so we will cutting the edges to smooth.
After we finish the semi product, we lead to sanding and polish. And once there's a small part, our QC department will mark it like this, and then the workers in the polishing department, they were polishing like this part, and then get the finished product like this. The engineer, the workers remarked it. Here we have to repair. Remending. This is for BMW. Or most of products for BMW and Audi and Tesla, some like this, very famous brand. Okay, next step, let's go to the inspection workshop. QC, quality control workshop. Here is our QC workshop. It's finish the inspection, ready package. Now is our time for lunch, so many workers not working now. Just a few still working. once there's a defect on the carbon fiber products, they will mark it out and then send it back to the production team. This is more defect will be founded. They just mark it and then send it back to the work team.
See here. It's not very smooth, so we have to send back to workshop to remending again, repair. They checked very strictly. Any problems, they will remark it at the webcam. We have our warehouse. This is the first one. All the products after inspection will send to here. They have item number.
This big box are for shipment by sea or by air. And now each product are packed like this. Each products are packed with the white paper and then the bubble paper and then with our factory sticker. It's very safe. And then the box, you can see the box is with thick box. And after put all items in, we will put the wooden box outside. You can see how many steps we have now. And each shelf has its numbers that ensure us not make mistake when we ship out items. Each product have its sticker and with the moon number and who make this item, who make this product. If there's any problem, we can see which worker makes this, then we can improve.
Here have some goods packing by wooden box.
These boxes are waiting for shipment.
Too messy. After finish, we will loading in container and ship by sea. We have more than 10,000 molds. So many molds for different brand, for different models. You see my right hand. This is the workshop for the produce the dry carbon fiber parts. You can see we have the high pressure tank. Here have a very big high pressure tank. All the dry carbon fiber parts produced by this tank. Let's introduce the produce steps. This is a assembly line. Here, the first step, we put the carbon fiber close like this. This cloth is different for the white carbon fiber parts. This is a pre-pressed cloth. This is the second cloth. At first, we will put a pre-pressed cloth. This is the first step. And the second step, we will put the wet cloth. It needs a good patient. Need some long time. Thank you, sister. This is for third step. We have to wait around 2 to 4 hours. Wait to dry. After dry, we will put it on the mold and cutting the edge. You see, here have some edge. We will cut too smooth, like this. This model already cutting edge. This one are waiting for cutting, because here have some edge. This cloth is not needed. This one is for front lip. This is for the first step. After the first step, we are also cutting the edge. Oh, it's very heavy. You see? Here, the edge is very smooth, like this. So this is for dry carbon fiber parts. It's different for wet carbon fiber parts, the step. This lady are cutting the edge. This is all raw material. On my left hand here, you see the silver tanks and some equipment. That is for protect the environment equipment. We have the certification. Okay, that is the gate for our factory. And today we introduced the whole factory. Anyway, welcome to JCsportline and welcome to Jimen. Welcome to China. We will give you the good quality carbon fiber parts and give you good selling service. Thank you.